What is the difference between is and equals in Python? Possible duplicate, Python equals versus is comparing strings, is fails sometimes, why? Is the same as. If not, what is the difference? Edit, why does. Return true, but. Return false.
No, these aren't the same. Is a check for object identity, checking if A and B are exactly the same object. Example. So, use equals if you mean the objects should represent the same thing, most common usage, and as if you mean the objects should be in identical pieces of memory, you'd know if you needed the latter. Also, you can overload equals via the _eq_ operator, but you can't overload is.
As already very clearly explained above, is used for identity testing, identical objects equals used for equality testing, identical value. Also keep in mind that Python uses string interning as an optimization, so you can get the following strange side effects.
Vier ganz Versehmode belastet von schwer funktionieren.